When it comes to creating a welcoming and professional environment for customers, every detail counts. One often overlooked element that can significantly influence a customer's perception of a business is the quality of its commercial doors. In Layton, where businesses are diverse and competition is high, the impact of high-quality commercial doors on customer experience is far-reaching. From the first impression to the ongoing comfort and safety of customers, commercial doors play a pivotal role in shaping the overall atmosphere of a business. First impressions matter. In business, first impressions are everything. When customers walk into a commercial space, the first thing they often encounter is the door. A high-quality, well-maintained commercial door sets the tone for the experience that follows. A smooth, easy-to-open door with modern design elements immediately communicates professionalism, attention to detail, and quality. It signals that the business values its space and, by extension, the people who enter it. Conversely, a door that sticks, squeaks, or appears worn can leave customers with a negative impression. It can create an association of neglect, which may impact their confidence in the quality of products or services offered inside. In Layton, where businesses range from small retail shops to larger office complexes, ensuring a seamless and visually appealing entryway is crucial for standing out in the competitive market. Enhancing security and safety. Beyond aesthetics, the functionality of commercial doors directly impacts customer safety and security. High-quality commercial doors are built to withstand daily wear and tear, but they also incorporate advanced security features to protect both customers and staff. Whether it's reinforced materials, impact resistance, or security locking mechanisms, these doors provide a sense of safety that customers appreciate. For businesses like banks, medical offices, or any place handling sensitive materials, security is paramount. Customers who feel safe in your establishment are more likely to return and recommend your services to others. In Layton, where the safety of local businesses is often a community concern, high-quality doors can offer reassurance that the business cares about both the protection of its patrons and its assets. Energy efficiency and comfort. The climate in Layton can range from hot summers to cold winters, making energy efficiency an important consideration for commercial spaces. High-quality commercial doors contribute to better insulation, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature regardless of the weather outside. For customers, this means they can walk into a comfortable environment, whether they are seeking refuge from the summer heat or escaping the chill of winter. Energy-efficient doors, often designed with insulated glass or advanced materials, can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. This translates to lower energy bills for the business owner, but more importantly, it ensures a consistent and pleasant experience for the customer. If customers are comfortable while inside your business, they are more likely to linger longer, make purchases, and come back again. Soundproofing and privacy. For businesses that require privacy or a quieter environment, such as law offices, medical clinics, or high-end retail stores, soundproofing is an important factor in door selection. High-quality commercial doors provide a level of sound insulation that helps maintain a peaceful and private atmosphere. Customers who value discretion or need a quieter shopping experience will appreciate a space that limits external noise, ensuring that conversations or confidential matters remain private. In a busy area like Layton, where local traffic and outdoor noise can be a distraction, high-quality doors equipped with proper sealing and soundproofing materials can create an oasis of calm, which enhances the overall customer experience. Durability and longevity. Investing in high-quality commercial doors means that businesses are not only improving their aesthetic appeal and customer comfort but also ensuring long-term durability. A sturdy door that can withstand harsh weather conditions, constant use, and occasional bumps or impacts is essential for minimizing maintenance costs and interruptions. For business owners in Layton, durability is an investment that pays off by reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Moreover, a well-built door reflects positively on the business's reputation. Customers may associate the quality of the door with the overall reliability of the business. In a town where word of mouth and repeat business are critical, providing a dependable, welcoming space is key to success. Conclusion. In Layton, where customer satisfaction and first impressions can drive long-term success, high-quality commercial doors are more than just functional items. They're an investment in the overall customer experience. From creating a welcoming entryway to ensuring security, comfort, and privacy, the impact of these doors is far-reaching. By choosing doors that offer durability, style, and energy efficiency, business owners can enhance the atmosphere of their establishment and ensure a positive experience for every customer who walks through their door.